Alright, first video on the 2004 Lowe Fishmaster 16.5. I'm redoing all the interior. All this is rotted. It needs to be replaced, as you can see. Ripped up easy. I'm gonna replace all the flooring. Got a new little paint job. Very cute little paint job. Don't know if I'm gonna do carpet or the rubber floor yet, but figure it out. So let's see what we can get into. Hopefully it goes well. I'm gonna try to get the trolley motor off now and the front fish finder plate. We're gonna see how it goes. So let's go. little switch panel for the trolling motor and my engine back there. So next, I'll try to figure out all these fucking wires like this. That's just trash. So yeah, all right, well, I'm gonna keep it going. All right, so next, we're gonna start taking the floorboard off. I don't know if I need to take this off first. I think I probably do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. Alright, got that front panel off. It actually came off really easy after I got that off. Only had 2 more screws. There's one up front, which never put together. There's a bunch of dust in it, so I couldn't really get to it. But well, was a lot bigger than I thought. I'm gonna end up putting storage here too for tackle and stuff. I just gotta measure it out, cut it, make a door. That's actually solid, so that's probably good. Maybe probably do another one. Next I'm gonna work on getting the sidings off. So that means I need to get chairs out, tire out, that shit out. Everything out that's up in here. Coda, say hi to my dog Coda. He's a cutie. So far, we're doing pretty good. I'm proud. I don't know what time it is. I don't know where my phone is. But it is 1:03 a.m. And yeah, we're doing pretty good. So, stick around. Alright, so I went inside and got all my tackle boxes. I wanted to see how it fit in here. I was looking at it like this, but really I think I should go like this and somehow build a tunnel to where I can have them go all the way across. I mean, if I could put my soft plastics up here and just make a big door that opens up like, so it'll open up like that. And then when it closes, it'll be flush. And I can have like my soft plastics. And then my hard baits right there. Soft, hard. Because this only takes up that much room. So I have all of that right there for soft plastics. I know my bag will fit there, so I can condense it all into one bag of stuff I actually use. But other than that, she's looking good. Big live well, I'm gonna take it out, clean it. I'll probably not take it out, but probably just clean it. Get it good. Probably reseal up here. I don't know what, I'll probably just leave that empty. I do want to fill this up with something. Or even make the whole thing to where it can tilt up, like even the seat. So it all just tilts up like that. And I have all of that for storage, tackle storage. That might be the idea, I'm not gonna lie. I think that's gonna be the idea. So I'll take you back here, show you what I've got done back here so far. Here's my flashlight. Hang on, got my flashlight. My phone doesn't work. It is 120. So far, I've gotten this off, that metal plate off. Next I'm working on getting that side off. And I'm gonna take that side rail off. So I get it done. That way I'm actually all, and I'll be pretty caught up. I think then I'll call it a night. I'll probably start on taking the floor off. I don't know. But I'll try at least. Yes, also I did forget to take the battery out. My flashlight's on. But that one's just connected to the engine, so I'm not really too worried about it. I'll probably disconnect it once I find the right tool. But as you guys can see, this is my old storage unit. So I used to fish up there, of course, and then walk all the way back here to get a new lure or something. Really, honestly, fill these with foam. Give me a 150 from the back of this. We'd be good. We'd be cruising, bud. But now next is this panel right here. And this panel. And then figure out what I need to do to take the center or the floor off, the actual main floor. Pretty sure I'm probably gonna take all of this apart. Which the dash doesn't work anyways, the only thing that works is the key and the steering wheel. But we're doing good so far, I'd say. So yeah. Alright, well, for today I think we're done. Oh, come on, flashlight just had it. I don't know what to do with it. Damn, that's crazy. I forgot how to just put it here. I don't know. But I got this off, all of the front off, that side's off, and all the back off so far. For the next video, I'm gonna do the floor. Here's my flashlight. I'm gonna do the floor next. Well, I gotta take that off. I'm gonna take the dash off, take this off, take that side off, then take the floor off. And then probably also go ahead and start draining the gas tank because we even have motor issues and we think it's our gas. So yeah, we're doing good. We're almost done. Yeah, I'm pretty proud of how far I got tonight for it to be 2 a.m. Whatever time it is. Oh. Ow, fuck. I don't even know where my phone's at. Scratched the shit out of my legs. Yeah, I think we're good for tonight. We gotta take that to the side so it doesn't get messed up. But I think we're good. I'm proud. I'm happy. Got a few new ideas that I didn't think of before that I want to do now. Still don't know what color I want to do. I'm thinking about doing a lime green with black flakes in it. Or just do lime green and keep where it says like the Lowe, the little thing. But I don't know yet. But alright, y'all. I think that's it. Everything looks good, so peace out. See you guys next video.